Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to give you the quick comparison between the Miyoo Mini V2 and V4 and what are the things that you need to know. So when I was researching it, these are the things that I found out is that the screen is a little bit better for V4. You're gonna have the D-pad, which is going to be no change, buttons no change from the V2 V3, and then you can have also the charging. You supports USB-C power delivery, but other than that they are similar. And now what I found out regards both of these is that so with the V2 you are going to have more details due to better contrast than V4, and the V2 is a little bit more sharper based on reports what I've read. And also the V4 is still good, but this is the thing that I wanted to share with you. This is something that I found out on the internet. Maybe it's going to help you in your research. So have a great day and goodbye.